On this sunny day, we have a few advocates of the ARAL program helping us learn more about the ARAL. Before we start, may you introduce yourselves to us? What inspired you to get involved in the ARAL program?
Isa sa mga reason kung bakit nakiisa ako sa ARAL Reading Program dahil para sa akin ang pagbabasa ay mas magkakaroon ka ng maraming opportunities. Bilang ARAL advocates, goal ko is matulungan ko yung kapwa ko estudyante na mas maintindihan yung binabasa nila, mas magkaroon sila ng confidence.
What does it mean to you personally to help students who are struggling to learn?
For me po, helping students means a lot to me. Kasi namiligaya po ako tuwing nakikita ko po silang natututo and nakaka-proud din po tuwing nag-improve po sila. Siyempre po, iba-iba din yung capabilities po ng students natin. Kaya din po, malaking bagay na din po yung tulong na gagawa namin para at least po may pagbabago kaming nai-instill sa kanila. Nakaka-proud din po kapag mas nagiging confident sila sa sarili nila and mas nag-improve.
What challenges do you face when helping students and how do you overcome them?
For me, the challenges I face when helping students is how can I adjust and communicate to them very well and to have better conversation to them. For me, need na communicative and maging mas close kami and hindi lang dapat more on reading yung pag-usapan. But the everyday happenings sa life nila is need din para mas maging deep yung closeness and conversation.
Have you noticed any changes or improvements in the learners since the program began?
Napapansin ko sa mga learners is nag-i-improve sila in terms of reading skills and comprehension. And nakakatuwa lang po kasi yung mga learners po is tinatry po nila yung best nila para matuto.
What difference do you think ARAL is making in your school so far?
For me, nakikita kong difference sa ARAL sa school community is sa mga learners na kasama sa program. Kung dati is hindi sila, yung pagbasa nila is without comprehension, kumbaga reading without comprehension, ngayon nakakabasa na sila with comprehension and mas nagkakaroon ng progress and nakaka-help talaga yung ARAL program para sa